which two of the following shifts should be applied to the graph of y equal 8 power x to obtain the graph of y equal 11 plus 8 power x minus 6? Okay, select two correct options. Can you see the options?
Yeah.
Okay. Same question here is if you have function called y equal 8 power x. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now this function is shifted by some way, and let us assume this is y1. y2 now is something 11 plus 8 x minus 6. So there is two shifts here. How did I know? I know that because there is a shift in y. Let me remind you something. This is x, this is y. If I told you I want to draw y equals 3, what you will do?
You substitute 3 into y.
No.
And so for
No. I want to draw y equals 3. Okay. Just
on the graph.
Yes.
I thought you were asking about the equation.
No, I want to draw y equals 3.
Yeah, okay then.
You know that?
Yeah.
How?
Can you put back the graph on?
Wait. Again, if I want to draw y equals 3, I have here x and y axes. You see them? Here is x and y axis. This is y and this is x. How can I draw y equals 3? What do you think?
Y equals 3. You just graph the points and then see where 3 is.
And
then just graph it.
This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Show me how can I draw y equals 3.
Okay. It's been Mister, can you see my drawing?
No, I can't see your drawing. Try again.
Oh.
Yes, now I see.
Like this?
Why like this?
Because the intersection point is at 3.
Okay. Listen to me. If I'm saying y equals 3, what does this mean? It means whatever I put x, the value of y will be what? 3, right?
Yeah.
If I draw that line that you draw, do you think that when x equal 1, it will be 3?
No.
Okay. Think about it again. How can I draw y equals 3? It means whenever I put
When
x,
when x
when
equals
x is
0.
1, yes, it will be what? 3, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. When x equal 1, it will be what? 3.
Yeah.
When x equal 2, it will be what? 3.
Yeah.
When x equals 3, it will be what? 3, 3, 3. So it will be like what? What it will be like? It will be like, right?
Yeah.
كويس. عشان خاطر برضه جرافس احنا كنا عندنا فيها مشكلة. I want you to see like here again. I want to make it to assume y of x equal 3, and I want now to draw it. I will tell him to draw it. See? Hello?
Yeah.
Are you
Hello.
here?
Yes.
Yes. Uh, you was listening to me or what happened?
Yeah. I'm listening.
Okay. Okay. Again. So if we say we want to find y equals 3, it will be like that. Okay, the question was, I want you to have a notebook, please, and write after me, okay? Please, you have a notebook?
Yeah.
Write these after me, because this points is the graphs, and you already will need it for other exams. The question was, y equal 8 power x, right?
Yeah.
Let us see how can we draw this? You see?
Yes.
So this is a drawing of y equal 8 power x. Okay? Yes?
Okay.
Okay. I will also write him here. Y now becomes 11 plus 8 power x minus 8. And I will ask computer to draw it.
Mister, it wrote x minus b, not x minus 6.
Yes, yes, I see. I see. I'm trying to fix. Now it's like beta. Okay. So here is the graph now of this function.
Yeah.
What do you notice? I want you to tell me. What did you notice?
That's it. Most of it is on a straight line.
Okay. I will show you now. This is the first one, and this is the second one. Let's try to compare with your eyes. Here is this was y equal 8 power x. That one is y equal 8 power x. That one is what? Y equal 11 plus 8 or x minus 6. Okay, let me show another one. ركزي معايا. الحتة دي مهمة عشان هتفيدك في كل الحاجات اللي انت بتلخبطي فيها. If I say y equal 11 plus 8 power x, and I will ask him to draw. By the way, we should draw it by ourselves. بس احنا عشان نسهل على نفسنا. Okay, and you will see the function
But
here.
in the exam, we won't be able to draw it. We won't have
Yes,
time.
yes. You will draw it by your own.
We won't have time.
But what was the question?
What do you mean? What was the question?
Not in tomorrow's exam. I mean for IG exam. What was the question on graphs?
No, I'm talking about tomorrow's exam.
About tomorrow's exam, it's very easy. ده أنا بس بشرح لك. خليكي معايا. So that was old y was 8 power x. That one. Now I'm adding 11 to it. What happened? Old y was starting from here, right? You see? That is old y, right? After
Yes.
I add 11, what happened? عملت زوم هنا كده الاقي ان انا ايه اللي حصل عندي؟ بص هنا كده ايه اللي حصل؟ في شيفت حصل. شيفت حصل. You see the shift?
Yeah.
You understand?
Yes.
Before it was like that. Now it is shifted upward. When x equals 0, x equals 0, this function, y will be equal to what? 11 plus 8 power 0. Anything power 0 is what?
It's
Equal to what?
cancelled.
Equal to 1. 1. Any number power 0 equal 1. Right? Any number power 0 equal 1.
Yeah.
So y at x equals 0 is equal to 11. Y at x equals 0 is equal to 11. Right?
Yeah.
You understand? هنا لما أقول باور 0 تطلع بكام؟ ب1.
Yeah.
ب1 أهي. You
أيوة.
understand? Is it clear?
Yeah.
لكن هنا إيه اللي حصل؟ هنا it is shifted to 11. دي 10 هنا 11. طيب انت مثلا مستر بتقول لي كل الكلام ده ليه وعمال تقول لي y equals 3 وكل الكلام ده ليه؟ اللي عايز اقوله لك ملخص I want you to know if I say y equal constant this is 11 3 2 1 anything the drawing will be like that. Right? We proved it.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
This is the constant 3 11 anything. Okay? If I have function y equal, for example, 8 power x, its drawing without any addition is something like that. And we proved it because when x equals 0, y will be equal to 1. So here it is 1, right? And it is increasing. By the way, when x equal to 1, what happened? Y will be equal to what? Can you tell me?
When x equals to 1?
Yes, 8 power 1 is 8.
8.
So it was 1 here, So when x equal 1, it will be here 8. You see? Well, when x equal to 2, what happened to y? Y will be equal to what?
64.
64. So it is increasing. You see?
Yeah.
Understand? Now, if I add this function to that function, what will happen? أنا هحط الكونستانت اللي هنا ده اللي هو 11 هجمعه على دي. إيه اللي هيحصل؟ This function will be shifted up. You understand?
Yeah.
So this shift is shifting in with what direction? Vertical direction, right? Because it's shifting in the direction of y. So when I add constant to a function, the shift will be upward or vertical direction. Understand?
Yeah. Mister, by the way, can we just do the hard questions? ممكن نعمل
if we are back نعمل ايه؟
ممكن نعمل بس ال hard questions في الأول عشان it's almost time يعني عشان أنا ببدأ أنعس دلوقتي فبس ممكن نعمل ال hard questions دلوقتي. Hello. Hello.
صوت بيقطع. الو.
كده كويس؟
كده كويس
yeah, Mr. I was telling you خلي نعمل ال hard questions أول حاجة عشان it's almost like time to like عشان أنام فعشان ببدأ أنعس فعشان أبقى more focused on the hard questions.
اوكي انا حبيت بس اشرح لك الحته دي. اوكي.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So now you can answer the question now. Which one?
Okay. It's gonna be
two options. Which one should be applied to the graph? The original graph was y equal 8 power x. The next one was 11 plus 8 power x minus 6. So there is a horizontal shift each by 11 units. By 11 units, not to the left, it's wrong, upwards, right? And there is a 6-unit shift to right or left? To the right. So this is the answer of this. Okay? أنا أعلم على دي وأعلم على دي. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Which of the following statement is true? Uncle functions. Okay. 4 power x. 4 power x.
The domain of f is real numbers and it intersects at the y-axis.
We already seen how to draw 4 power x. Yes.
Yeah.
When x equals 0 to b1, so the function will be like that, right? If I draw as draft, I can now answer any question. It intersects the y-axis at the point 0 and 1. Yes, this is right. Because here the intersection is at 0. Intersects the y-axis at 1. It intersects the x-axis at 0 and 1. Wrong. The domain of f is a set of all real numbers. Yes. Yes. For any x, the domain is the number that can be taken for x, so I can have value for y. Here I can substitute for any value of x. Are you here?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm here.
Okay. The range of x is the set of all real numbers. What do you think?
No,
Why not?
because the domain is already a set of numbers. The range and domain can't both be.
The range is what?
The domain is already the set of real numbers. They
Yes.
both can't be real numbers.
ايه الفرق بين الدومين والرينج؟ بالعربي كده عشان تفهميها عشان ما تنساش تاني. الدومين هو الحاجة اللي في الاكس اللي ليها فاليو في الواي. يبقى الدومين هو الحاجة اللي في الاكس. كل الارقام اللي في الاكس اللي بلاقي قصادها فاليو في الواي. طب انا عندي هنا اقدر اعمل سبستيوت باي ان نمبر اوف اكس ولا لا؟ في اي ريستريكشن؟ لا مفيش. ممكن احط بالنيجاتيف، ممكن احط بالبوزيتيف، صح؟ مش ده الاكس اكس اهو. بص كده، ممكن احط اي رقم في الاكس، صح ولا غلط؟ وهلاقي قصاده رقم في الواي، صح
أيوه.
كده؟
اه.
تمام. طيب الرينج بقى، الرينج الرينج هي النتيجة اللي أنا بلاقيها في الواي. طب النتيجة اللي أنا بلاقيها في الواي، الواي شغالة فين؟ بالعربي خالص أهي، الواي شغالة هنا فين؟ في الجزء الإيه؟ ده أنهي جزء ده؟ بتاع الواي، ده الجزء بتاع إيه واي؟ البوزيتيف. هل في أي حاجة في الجزء النيجاتيف واي؟ النيجاتيف هنا في أي حاجة؟ في أي حاجة
No.
في النيجاتيف؟ مفيش فاليوز في النيجاتيف. يبقى الواي، يبقى الرينج بتاعي في البوزيتيف اونلي. يبقى الرينج بتاعي مش valid for all real numbers. ليه؟ لأن هو شغال في الريال نمبرز، يعني البوزيتيف والنيجاتيف. هو شغال معايا في البوزيتيف اونلي. لكن الاكس اللي هو الدومين شغال معايا في الجزء البوزيتيف وشغال معايا في الجزء النيجاتيف. يبقى دايما اخلي بالي بالانجلش بقى. Whenever I ask you about domain, you think about x. Whenever you ask you about the range, you think about y. So if you draw the function, you can see if it is valid for all values of x and having a value for y, then this is the domain in x.
Yeah.
Look for
Okay.
the values in y. You found that it is only in some particular areas or regions, so this is the range. So the range here is not valid for all real numbers. So this is wrong.
Yeah.
The horizontal asymptote to the graph representing f is the x-axis. What is meant by horizontal asymptote? Horizontal asymptote is something that is getting near to the curve. Yes, the x-axis is considered to be horizontal asymptote. So the right answer here is that one, and this one, and final one is that one. Is it clear, Hala?
Yeah.
Please, is it clear? If there's something,
Yeah.
tell me there is something. Okay? Okay.
Okay.
Next.
This is easy. I know how to solve it.
Is it easy?
Yeah.
What is easy?
Our math teacher taught us an easier way. It's like this. It's 512 half-life to the power of 4 minutes and 30 seconds is 240. So to the power of 240 over 30, and then you solve it on the calculator, it's equal to 2.
Okay. This is easy, and you know how to solve it, but we need to write the rule to memorize it.
Mr. Ma, this is the rule. This is
Yes, the mass after, or I mean the mass is gonna be the mass
half-life.
before, yes, times half.
Yeah.
Okay, power what?
The power of 2.
Power time over half time. Okay.
Yeah. This
Don't
is
worry,
easy as well.
this is not, there is not too many questions. I think I feel you are in a hurry. I don't know why. You want to sleep?
No, it's just, yeah, exactly, because I just want to solve the question while I can focus.
Okay,
'Cause لو عدت
okay,
after 10 هلوز focus خالص.
okay. Tomorrow we will have an important session. So
بكرة
tomorrow
there
is
is no AMS ولا حاجة to do. It's radical 7.
yes, yes, it will be radical set. Okay, 5. Tomorrow is Thursday. Yes, Thursday
Yeah,
tomorrow. By the way, on Friday, not on Friday, on Saturday and Sunday, we will have 2 sessions.
yeah, okay.
On Saturday, Sunday, 2 sessions, and on Saturday will be in the early morning, and it's important. And on Sunday also to be 2 sessions because Monday will be the exam. Okay. مش عارف الجمعة تحبي تاخدي 2 sessions برضه ولا لا؟ كفاية واحدة. خلاص؟
Okay.
Okay. Tomorrow برضه عندنا واحدة. Tomorrow we will work at 5.
Okay.
If you know this, if you know that one, it's okay. I will try to finish faster. If you need to sleep, just I want to confirm that everything is clear. This is not right.
No,
That
it's
one is
equal.
right.
So you will substitute the numbers, you're gonna get negative 5, 4, 6. So you put G1 as 3 times 1 minus 1 second, I'll substitute it in a proper way.
Yes, substitute please.
3 times
Because there is no this one. So just will be
no, there is, it's right here.
yes, this is not here. Do you know the difference?
Mister, that's the sum. They want the sum.
Yes,
If you
yes.
substitute, if you do 3 times 1 minus negative 3 to the
Huh?
power of 6, I'm just
Huh?
solving.
Yes,
And
yes,
then 1 minus 3,
yes.
negative 5 for 6.
Okay, you are right. I was just checking that you are awake. تمام. بشوفك صح يا عم. تمام.
Okay. Okay, here
Okay.
because you don't have an m, so you just take these two. 30m divided by 5m, which is 6. So this is 6. Common ratio is 6. And there's one more left, point C.
Okay. So this is 6 and this one.
6. Because if
Yes.
you do 5 times 6, it's 30, and then you divide 30
Yes.
by 5, which is 6.
I think we solved this before.
Yeah.
Not
R
one.
is greater than 1, so it diverges.
Yeah.
It's 1 minus R.
Can you write the rule, please? Yes, yes, very good. Because this rule we will use it also in what?
And
In IG.
IG. Which is 9,000. 1 minus 4 over 100 power of 10. Oh no, plus, not minus. It's 1, 3, 3, 2.
Very good. You just substitute this on your calculator and you find this number. Yes.
Yeah.
Just 1 second, I will check.
Yeah, okay.
No, but why here? Here,
What? It's
P
1, 3,
times
3,
1
2.
minus R power N.
No, it's plus.
Plus, I mean.
Yeah. So 9,000.
Yes.
1 plus.
Okay. Right. Why it is plus here? Can you tell me?
That's the rule.
I know. I want you to tell me why it is here plus.
Because
Because it is compounded.
compounded annually.
Next.
Here, we just do. There's this one. Okay. -60.
You already studied from Saleh papers?
No,
Okay, very good.
Mister, I'm not sure of this one.
Why? You're doing right. What is
Sure.
here? This is what? This is sequence, yes?
Yeah.
So progression. So we have here the first term you like to say it's G1 is equal to 90. What about G2? G2 is equal to negative 60,
60.
right? Yes.
Yeah.
What is this is seems to be an infinite sum. So what we will do, we have two rules. We have infinite sum and we have what? Finite sum. Okay.
Yeah.
So it will be what? It will be equal to G1 over 1 minus
1
R.
minus R.
Okay. Okay. So how to find it? We need to find R. Okay. How to find R? R equal Gn plus 1 over Gn. Okay.
Yeah.
Which is G2 over G1. So it is
G1.
negative 60 divided by 90.
90, which is 2 over -2/3.
Yes, I need to check it. You can divide 40 over negative 60. You will find it to be the same. Understand? So if
Yeah.
I divide that number over that number, which is negative 60 divided 90, I will get it to be negative 2 over 3. I need to be sure, so I will divide that number over that number, which is 40 divided by negative 60. I will get it to negative 2 over 3. So negative 2 over 3 is my ratio R of 2 over 3.
Yeah.
So this will be G1, which is 90 over 1 minus R, which is negative 2 over 3. So this will give me the answer.
Okay, I'm doing it. 54.
Exactly. Okay. Next. Here I'm having a graph. The
Yeah.
graph shows a power x, and it's very important to know. I want you to memorize the following: that if there is something power x, the graph will be looking like that. Please
Okay.
memorize this because all the questions here about that. What is the value here? 1. What is the value
1.
here? 1.
1.
احفظي دي. احفظي.
Okay.
تمام? Because all the questions here is about this topic. So, okay. Anyway, what is the value of A? Okay. Y equal A, Y equal A power X. And now he draws the graph. What is the value of A? So how can we find the value of A?
The value of A.
Yes.
You can take a point.
Yes, let us take a point.
This one or this one.
Why is this one? I want
Two
you
or
to take this. I want you to take this one.
okay.
This one is equal what? Yes, 0 and 1. Exactly. This is X and this is Y. So
Yeah.
1 is equal to A power
0.
0. Okay. From this point, it's not clear. Try to choose another point.
This one.
Yes, okay. So it's 2 and this is not 10, this is 9.
Oh, sorry, 9.
2 and 9. So X and Y. So 9 is equal to A or 2. So what is here to be 9? What do you think?
3.
3. Yes, A equal to 3. I want you
Oh,
to watch. Oh,
it's really easy.
yes, it's very. I want to teach you something for you. If anytime you have something for x and it's equal to, for example, here 9, and it is here 2. I want to know what is a. There is something called log. If I take log on both sides, log
Yeah,
will
I know
be
this.
2 log a equal to log 9. So log a is equal to log 9
9.
over 2.
Yeah.
Can you use calculator? Find log 9 over 2.
Log 9. It's
You will
0
find
0.4.
a very big number, 0.477712.
47712.
So log A equal this number. Now, shift log this number on your calculator.
Okay.
What you find?
Zero
Shift,
point 47712.
shift log.
2.99. Yeah, 2.99.
Yes, shift log answer. I want you to do it. Shift log answer. Again,
Yeah,
divide
it's
log 9 by 2. Again, please divide log 9 by 2. You will find an answer.
yeah,
You should write it at all. Okay, and shift log answer. Shift log
yeah,
answer.
it's 3.
You will find it. Okay, so
Okay.
you can find it easily for any function. The last question.
The same
The
thing.
mass of radioactive isotope. This is physics.
Wait 1 second, I'll give you the answer. 100 half to the power of 60 over x equal 10. 50. It's 18.
Very good, exactly. Okay. Do you have any questions?
No.
So you are ready for tomorrow?
Yeah.